Mom, what are you doing? Can I help you with something?
Sure, dear. Can you pass me the bowl that's on the table?
Sure, Mom.
Akshit, can you please bring me the apple that's in the bowl?
Sure, Mom. But I noticed when you asked me to bring the bowl, you said on the table. But when you asked for the apple, you said in the bowl. Why is it so?
Well, my dear, on is used when something is positioned directly on top of something else, like the bowl on the table. And in is used when something is inside or contained within something else, like the apple in the bowl.
Okay, Mom.
The words that are used to describe the position, place, and time of naming words and pronouns are called position words or prepositions. Words like in, on, under, behind, and between tell us where someone or something is.
Mom, please teach me more prepositions so that I can make correct sentences.
Of course, Akshit. Let's learn together. We also use in, on, at to tell the time. In 2010. In summer. In October. In the morning. On Wednesday. On 15th August. On Christmas. At 12 o'clock. At night. At noon.
I understood it, Mom. We use on for days and dates, and in for months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. We use at for the time shown by the clock, and words like night and noon.
Very good, Akshit. We use under, behind, near, and between for position and place.
Okay.
Akshit, now it's your turn to make some sentences using prepositions.
Sure, Mom. The apples are in the bowl. The book is on the table. The cat is under the table. The ball is behind the chair. The boy is near the table. The cat is between the chair and the table.
That's great, Akshit. You learnt very quickly. Let's have dinner now.
Yes, Mom.